In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Make.com blueprint. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow or automate a series of tasks, following these steps will get you up and running in no time. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Make's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done so already, navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central command where you can manage and see all your ongoing processes. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Scenarios. Think of scenarios as a grouping of tasks or processes you want to automate. They are essentially your workspace for setting up blueprints. After entering the Scenarios section, you'll need to look for a highlighted option. Clicking on the highlight will ensure you're looking at the right spot, guiding you to the subsequent area of interest. Now, within this same area, you'll see a list of active and inactive scenarios. Begin by clicking on Active Scenarios 0. This will show you any scenarios that are currently inactive but may need activation once your new blueprint is set. To proceed, click on Inactive Scenarios 1. This segregates the scenarios that are not currently in operation, helping you quickly identify where you might need to implement changes. Then select Uncategorized to ease your navigation. This is important to maintain an organized setup and find scenarios that don't fit into specific categories. At this stage, you'll want to create a new scenario, so go ahead and click on Create Scenario. This action will bring you to a new environment where you can set up your process from scratch. You'll now encounter another highlighted area. Click on the highlighted section to help guide you to the next crucial step. Following this, find and click on the Import Blueprint button. This feature allows you to pull in pre-existing blueprints, which saves you time from creating completely new processes. Finally, after you've successfully imported your blueprint, make sure to secure your changes by clicking Save. Saving your progress ensures that everything you've just set up is locked in and ready for use. This last step is crucial because without saving, you risk losing all of the hard work and customization up to this point. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import a Make.com blueprint and get your automations running smoothly. Be sure to review your scenarios periodically and adjust any elements as your workflow needs change. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your task processes.